Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So we were here at the Khamis fifth exercise. Hati Jumalan Kama fil Misal. Bring sentences like the one in the example. Al Misal. الطالب الأول first student. غسل الفاكهة. He washed the fruits. This is فعل ماضي past tense. يغسل الفاكهة. He is washing the fruit. Igsilil fakiyata, wash the fruit. So here we have schoon because it is fail amr, but we are writing kasra because of this alif lam. Whenever we have schoon with alif lam, you pronounce kasra. So that's why they have written kasra here for your ease. But you should know that here we have schoon. Igsil. So Ghassala from fail mazi to fail muzare you need to memorize. That Ghasala is fail mazi and Yaksilu is fail muzare. But from fail muzare to fail amr, you need to memorize the method that I explained you on the whiteboard. Okay. So Miss Rabia will read the first three pictures and Miss Khatija will read the next three pictures.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. غسل الفاكهة. He washed the fruits.
He washed the fruit, okay?
He washed the fruits. يغسل الفاكهة. He washed the fruits.
He is washing the fruit.
He is washing the fruits. اغسل الفاكهة.
Wash the fruit.
Wash the fruits.
Next.
This also, sir? Shall
Yes, next. Sharibal kahwata, he drank the coffee.
Sharibal the fakihata.
Kahwata, sharibal kahwata.
Sharibal kahwata. He is drinking the coffee, sir.
He drank the coffee.
He drank the coffee. Yashrabul kahwata. He drinks the coffee. Ishrab al-qahwa.
Ishrabil kahwata. When we have alif lam, we write schoon, but we pronounce kasra.
Ishrabil qahwata. Drink the coffee. Qara al-kitaba. He is reading book.
He read the book.
He read the book. Yaqra'ul kitaba. He is reading the book. Iqra kitaba.
Ikra il kitaba.
Iqra il kitaba. Read the book. Kanasa ghurfata. Kanasa ghurfata. Cleaning the room.
He swept the room. He cleaned the room.
He swept the room or he cleaned the room. Yaknusul ghurfata. He is cleaning the room. Uknusil ghurfata. Clean the room.
Next student.
Okay. شاهد التلفاز.
شاهدت التلفاز.
شاهدت التلفاز. He watched the television. يشاهد التلفاز. He is watching the television. شاهد التلفاز. Watch the television. سمعت Sami al adhan. He listened to the adhan, or he heard the adhan.
Okay.
Yasma'ul adhan. He is listening to or hearing the adhan. Isma'il adhan. Listen, hear the adhan. Kataba. What is this? Kataba.
قد كتب الجدول الدراسي.
Okay. Katabat.
جدول
كتب جدولة مدرسي.
دراسي.
Dirasi. He wrote the school timetable.
Correct. He wrote the timetable.
Okay. يكتب جودة الدراسي. He writes the timetable. اكتب جودة مدرستي. Write the timetable.
الجدول الدراسي.
Okay. How do you write that, please?
Okay.
Oh, is it written underneath? Is that it underneath?
No, that is مواد الدراسي. This is الجدول الدراسي. Like this.
جزاك الله خير.
That's what
وإياكم. Any question?
No.
Okay. التدريب السادس. أول كما في المثال. Okay. كتب mean he wrote, which is فعل ماضي. What is the مضارع of كتب?
يكتب.
And what is فعل أمر?
اكتب.
Okay. شرب.
شرب. يشرب.
And فعل أمر?
اشرب.
شرب يشرب. Ra has fatha. So
Oh yeah.
اشرب.
اشرب.
Then قرأ.
يقرأ.
And
اقرأ.
next كنس.
كنس. يكنس. اكنس.
مصرابية. شهادة. Miss Rabia, are you available? Not available.
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum
Yes, sir.
salam. What is the muzari of shahada?
Shahada. Shahid.
Wrong answer. Yushahidu. Muzari is
Yushahidu.
What
Okay.
is Amar?
Yushahidu. Oh, sir, I'm very weak in grammar, sir.
I
From the
just
beginning.
told the method in whiteboard how to convert fail muzari into fail Amar.
Inshallah, I will try my level best to learn.
So this is Yushahidu. What are the 3 steps to convert it into fail Amar?
Ji. Yushahidu. We should remove ya.
Okay. Then
Shahidu. Shahid.
Then we will remove the dhamma at the end and replace it with sukoon. So this is fail amal. Shahid.
Shahid. Ji. Yushahidu. Shahid.
So you will say shahid. Then what is muzari of samia?
Samia. No.
Samia. He heard. And what is muzari? Yasma'u.
Okay. Yasma'u.
And what is fi'l amr?
Sami.
Wrong answer.
Ismi.
Isma. Okay, Samia yasma'u isma.
Okay. Samia, Yasma. Okay.
What is
I should
kataba?
work hard, sir. Inshallah, I will try my level best to learn.
Okay.
Jazak.
What is muzari of kataba?
Kataba. Kataba. Yaktub, sir.
Yaktubu.
Yaktubu.
And what is amr?
Uktub.
Okay. So Miss Rabia, you are first student in this dialogue, and Miss Khatija, you are second. Start.
Bismillah. Katabal mawaddadat darasiyata. What is it meaning? Right?
He wrote the subjects.
Okay. He wrote the subjects. This also I should read, sir.
He wrote the subjects. Next, Miss Khatija.
He wrote the subjects.
اكتب مودة دراسيات. Write the subjects.
Okay, right, the subjects.
Okay. Sharibal qahwata. Sharabal qahwata.
Sharibal kahwata.
Sharibal qahwata. He
Drake.
drank the coffee.
اشرب بالقهوة. Drink the coffee.
Kahwata, okay.
اشرب قهوة. Drink. اشرب القهوة. Drink the coffee.
قرأ الكتاب.
اقرأ الكتاب. كتابة. Read the book.
Okay. كنس الغرفة. He's cleaning the room. Clean the room.
Okay.
He cleaned the room.
Uk.
Oh, yeah. Kanasa yoknusu, yeah. Nasil Rofata.
Okay.
Clean the room.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Shahadat Tulfaza. Watched the television.
Shahadat Tilfaza. Watch the television.
He did tilfaza.
Shahadat Tilfaza. Watch the television.
Sami al-Azan. He listened the Azan.
Isma il-Adhan. Listen to the Adhan.
Katab al-Mawaddat al-Darasiyah. He wrote
The subjects.
He wrote the subjects.
اكتب المواد دراستي.
Dirasiya.
Dirasiya. He wrote write the subjects.
Next we have Mulakhasu Tarakib. Inshallah, we'll continue next time. Any question?